As many as 90% of wildland fires in the US are caused by humans. Some human-caused fires result from campfires left unattended, the burning of debris, negligently discarded cigarettes, and intentional acts of arson.
Hey, do you want to do something to take our mind off of school?
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Let's go hiking?
Yeah, let's go hiking.
Hey, call Arolf, see if he wants to go.
Alright, hold on.
Hello?
You down to go hiking right now?
No, sorry man, I got a couple of things to do. Maybe next time. Alright then.
Oh, you said no?
Yeah, he said no.
Alright, let's go.
How far are we gonna go this time?
We're gonna go to the electrical, remember last time?
Oh yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, let's go there. Alright. Wait, what are we gonna be doing up there?
We make a campfire up there.
Oh yeah, man. Hey, that's gonna be hella warm right now. It's like the windy.
Heck
Alright,
yeah.
let's go. Hey, Fernando, is that enough?
Yeah, that's good. Just let me get this one branch right here.
I got you.
Man, I'm ready to start this fire. It's pretty cool.
I know, me too. It's hella cold. I am tired.
Wildfires are raging from Alaska to California, forcing thousands of evacuations.
Yeah, get that stuff level going right there. I could have started with this too.
When will this stop?
Hey, it's a good thing we found this light so we can keep the fire going.
Yeah, no, it's just starting to rain a little bit too.
There it goes. We got the fire started already. Hey, we made a mess up here from last time, huh?
Yeah. Want some Coke?
Yeah, you just got one.
I got you.
Hey, it's getting kind of boring up here.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go somewhere else?
Yeah, let's go somewhere else. It's hella dirty and the fire's still on.
Oh, who cares? I think it's gonna rain later, so we'll turn it off.
Is it?
Yeah, let me check. Yeah, like it's gonna rain later, so we just
yeah, right here.
we just leave it on. It's nothing's gonna happen.
Yeah, nothing's gonna happen. Alright, let's go.
I think I got some garbage in my pocket. Just leave it here.
Ah, screw it.
You know what's worse than littering? Wildfires.